Okay, so the 11 through 15, these are all going to be two-step angular acceleration problems, right? Two-step torque equals I alpha problems, right? So torque is I alpha. And basically what we're going to have to do is we're going to have to do two things. Like maybe we have to calculate the moment of inertia and this, and then find that. Or in this case, this thing has a tangential force. So we're going to find the torque from RF, right? We've got a force. Ultimately, we'll have some radius here, right? Okay, so our radius is, what is that? 0.219 divided by 2, 0.1095. Right, so we've got the 5.5 newtons acting tangentially. The radius is 0.1095. Right, and then I think this is what we want to find, right? Just tell me what the moment of inertia is. And then it goes through 13 rotations in 3.21 seconds. So that's going to be theta. Ultimately, we've got to solve a problem to get alpha, right? So this is going to come from there. Okay, so let's see, 13 rotations, so 13 2-pi's in 3.21 seconds. Initially at rest. Okay, so I think we use the 1/2 AT squared one, don't we? Yeah. Okay, so you can do this, then you can do this, and then ultimately when we have this and this, we'll find that. Okay, so that's what this is. It's a three-stepper. It's going to be 1, 2, and then 3 is the last step. Let's just use this formula here. Okay, so let's solve this. Let's get the, let's figure out the alpha here, right? So I'm going to use theta is omega initial times time plus 1/2 alpha t squared, right? Okay, so theta is 13 2-pi's is 0 plus 1/2 alpha times 3.21 squared. All right, so here we go. So 2 times 13 times 2 pi, right, divided by 3.21 squared. The acceleration is 15.854. And that's radians per second squared. Okay, and then let's figure this guy out here. So 0.1095 times 5.5. .60225, and that's meter newtons. Okay, so now we're all set, right? So now we can do torque is I alpha, right? 0.60225 is I times 15.854. So I'm going to just take these two numbers and divide them. So the number I just got divided by the 15.8524. And I get that I is 0.037986 kilogram meters squared. So I guess if you had to round it to 3 places, you'd have to round it to 380, right? All right, there you go. So that's worthy, right? We had to do 1, 2, 3 steps, right? It's always going to be 3 steps, 11 through 15.